Hello everyone and welcome to Lockdown Learner. Our today's topic is tree data structure. Earlier we have discussed with the queue, stack and the linked list. As you all know about the queue, so in queue we are having is in linked list, sorry. In linked list we are having is element, and then we are having address to the next element, then we are having connected with that, then we are having an element and then address to next element. Okay, so with the same concept of this linked list, but it's linear. Our linked list is linear, but in tree we are having is a non-linear data structure in which like elements are connected in this way. Okay, it's in a non-linear way, not like a linked list. Okay, so what is different here, it's like in linked list the connected is like this, and in other data structure, and this is like non-linear. Okay, non-linear data structure. As you can see in the definition, tree is a non-linear data structure that consists of nodes connected by the edges. So let us discuss what is the node and what is the edges. Okay, so this point is called edge and this is called the node. Okay, in tree we are having some conditions, so let us discuss with those conditions. Okay, so let us discuss our first condition in the tree. In this condition we are having the element list as we discussed. This is our like parent node, you can say, and here we are having is child node. This is child node, but this basically called the left node and this is the right node. Okay, so condition here is like right node should be greater than the left node always. Okay, if it is not greater than this, that means it is not a tree, and if it contains this only three element, then only it's called the tree. If it contain like not this part and only this part, that is not a tree. Okay, so it is having the parent and then it is having the child node also. Okay, so अब हम देखते हैं कि like why tree data structure. Okay, so other data structures such as an array and linked list and stack and queue are linear data structures that stores data sequentially. Okay, like we have discussed right now for the linear for the linked list. In order to perform any operation in linear data structure, the time complexity increases with the increase in data size. Okay, so but it is not acceptable in today's computational world. So we are not looking for a time complexity for a data structure which is increasing our time complexity. So we are looking for a data structure which reduces our time complexity. So tree is introduced to cover this situation. Okay, so we have discussed about the node and edge in the tree, and then the root element. So root element is the main element in the tree, and the topmost element I am writing here, topmost element of tree is called root node. As you can see, which one is the topmost element? This one. So this is our root node. Okay, so this is our root node. So height of a node, the height of a like this tree is like you can see here the level. We discuss the height by the level, like it is having like 1 2 3, so height is 3. Okay, okay, so about the depth, and depth is this thing, so depth is 4. Okay, so let us discuss about the types of tree we are having. We are having like binary search tree. Okay, and then we are having binary tree, then AVL tree and B tree. We will discuss further about these trees. So right now we are only discussing about the topic tree. Okay, so types of tree we will be discussing after that. So tree traversal. Okay, so there are 3 types of tree traversal: postfix, prefix and infix. Okay, so these are the types of tree traversal we are having. So there is a condition also that the root node should be present in tree. Okay, so if we are having element like root node 12 and then we are having 14 and 15, so where you will place 14 and where you will place 15. So see the first condition, like 15 should go here and then 14 should go here. Okay, so this first condition is satisfying and this is called the tree. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video, and after this video we will make some videos, question videos on the tree, so that you will be more clear about the tree, like how to create a tree and how to traverse a tree, types of traversal in the tree. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and kindly do subscribe to my channel.